In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and run a Java project using a Replit workspace. This process is simple, efficient, and perfect for both beginners and seasoned coders looking to experiment with Java in an easy-to-use online environment. Our journey starts at replit.com, where you'll need to sign up or log in. If you're not already an account holder, signing up is free and straightforward, granting you access to this powerful platform where you can run and share your Java projects right from your browser. Once you're logged in, locate the left panel on your screen. You'll see a section labeled Developer Frameworks. Click on it. This area is where you can select the environment for your new project. You'll then notice a +Create button. Go ahead and click it because this is your starting point for creating a new Replit project. Next, you'll need to choose your project's language. Replit supports various languages, but for today, scroll through the list until you find Java. Clicking on Java means your project will be set up with this programming language in mind, allowing you to take advantage of all the Java-specific tools and features Replit provides. Now, it's time to personalize your workspace a bit. Every project on Replit needs a name. A project name will help you keep track of your work and easily find it later. Once you've decided on a name, look for the +Create App button and click it. This will finalize the setup of your brand new Java project. With your project ready, you'll find yourself in the Replit editor, an intuitive space where you can write and edit your Java code. The interface is user-friendly, providing all the tools you need to work on your code seamlessly. Feel free to start coding right away. Write your Java code directly in the editor, whether you're practicing basic syntax or working on something more complex. When you're ready to see your code in action, turn your attention to the green Run button. Clicking this button will compile your code and execute it, allowing you to test your project and see how it performs. This feature makes it easy to modify your code and rerun it until you achieve the desired results. Finally, collaboration is also a breeze with Replit. If you'd like to share your project with others, whether for feedback, team collaboration, or educational purposes, simply click the Share button. You can share the project link or directly invite collaborators, making it easy to work together remotely. And there you have it. You've now set up and run a Java project on Replit. Whether you're coding solo or collaborating with others, Replit has the tools to make your programming journey smooth and productive.